In this video, I will show you how to see if your Taobao order has been shipped after a successful payment to the supplier on Taobao shopping app. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Taobao shopping app. Just like so. Whether you are using Taobao global fashion or you are using Taobao Chinese fashion, this is the best way to check your order shipment status after a successful payment to store or to a supplier in Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, Pinduoduo, 1688, Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet or your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So for you to check your order shipping status on your Taobao after you have successfully made payments, go ahead and click on this icon right here. And then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So with that, you will see all order on transit right here. Then from this point here, this is where you can easily track your order in Taobao. For you to track your order, go ahead and click on this icon right here. So once you click on that, it's going to open up the details about the tracking information about your order. It's that simple. This is what I have for you here as far as your order shipment status is concerned in Taobao. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Taobao topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.